Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Cricut EasyPress along with the new Cricut EasyPress mat, and I'm going to make a quick onesie here for my grandson, showing you how I'm using the already made Cricut iron-on little things that they have. So I'm working with a sloth because my grandson loves sloths. He's 1.5, so he loves them. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to flip the camera and I'll show you how I do it. It's really simple, and this will be a very quick video on how to do this. So you're going to need a Cricut EasyPress, which I absolutely love mine for doing small projects like this. And I have it set at 305 for 30 seconds, so it won't take us long. I have a camo onesie, and please excuse the mess here. I've been working on Cricut crafts all morning, but I thought I would stop and do a quick video to show you how I do this. This is the little sloth piece that we're going to iron on to the camo onesie. This is the new Cricut EasyPress mat, which is wonderful because it holds in the heat. It actually gets hotter so that your iron-on goes on quicker and stays on there a lot easier than how it used to. I used to use a Teflon sheet, and then I would use this parchment paper as my protective sheet, and I still use the parchment paper, but I'm no longer using my Teflon sheet. I will say though that the Teflon sheet worked just fine. So if you cannot afford to get this new mat, or you don't want to get the new mat, then that works fine too. And I picked mine up at Target for like $6. So, all right. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab my EasyPress, and I am just going to set it down on the little shirt here, just to warm it up. Okay, I like to just give it a nice little warm up before I do that. So now it's been ironed out and it's flat and it's ready for me to place my little sloth on here. So I'm just going to eyeball it and try and center him. And it looks pretty good on both sides there. I may just need to straighten him out just a tad. Okay. Looks good to me. Maybe over a tad. There. Perfect. Just perfect. Put my glasses on here so I can see. All right. And we're going to get started. We're going to take the EasyPress. Whoops, I skipped a step. Apologize. I'm going to cover this with my parchment paper on top of the design in the shirt, just to protect it. Going to set it down. Hope I didn't move it. I better check. No, we're good. All right. Trying to do this one-handed is a little tough. Now I'm going to press my little green button because I'm ready to go. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of pressure, not much, just holding it down with my one hand. And we're going to see what happens here when I'm done. A couple more seconds. These are a lot of fun to make, and especially if you have little ones around. You can just buy plain shirts and things like that. I got these at Walmart, I think, for $3. Okay, I'm going to take this and put it back on its base. I'm going to pull off the parchment paper. And I'm going to let it cool for just a minute, because I find that trying to pull this off when it's hot does not work the best. So we're going to let that cool off. And then I'll show you the other one that I made too. Took me all of probably about 6 minutes to make both of these. Should be cooling down now a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to just pull this off. And voila, it's done. So now I have a little sloth onesie on the camo onesie here. And then the one that I made prior is the little blue one where he's eating his ice cream cone. So you can pick these up off of Cricut.com, or you can pick them up at Joann's. And I think anywhere where they sell Cricut products, they probably carry these. I apologize, my dog is going crazy upstairs. And so just go ahead and grab one. It's easy. It's a fun afternoon project to do. You can do them with kids, anything. It's a lot of fun. So that's it for this one, for this tutorial. And if you like this video, please give it a like and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I do lots of craft things. I'll actually be posting some more videos here in the upcoming days because I'm going to be busy working on crafts all day today. I will share a link down below to all of the places that you can purchase the items to make this. Also, I just want to say that I am a Cricut affiliate. I do not work for Cricut, but however, if you make any purchases through any links that I share, I will make a very small commission on that. So I thank you for your support, and I hope you love this video, and I will see you all later. Bye.